Hello everyone, this is Pawan. In my last video, I had explained how you can generate API automation script using Postman AI assistant, that is PostBot. If anyone has not watched it, I have added a link in the description. You can go through it. So today I'll be explaining how you can run this scripts that is based on the collection in the command line mode. So for that, we'll be using Newman. So what is Newman? It's a command line tool for Postman. So using Newman, you can run the Postman collection directly from the command line. So also it can easily integrate with your continuous integration servers and build system. Okay, so that's the main thing from the Newman. So for running API test in the automation pipeline to ensure that your API behaves expected across the environment. So we'll go through it, how we can install it, how we can make use of it, how the report looks and all. So the first thing is the prerequisite is you have to be node should be installed in your system and the version should be greater than 16 and so let me check. You can see my version is 20.8.0, so it is compatible with that. And the command to install is npm install -g Newman. So I've already installed it. So how we can run it? There is a command that is Newman run and the Postman collection file, right? So this is my collection where you have a specific CRUD operation, say get, post, whatever is there. So just click on these three dots and export. Okay. So once you export, a JSON file will be saved and just go to your command line mode after that and make sure that JSON file is installed in that particular folder. Okay. And now the command to run it is say Newman run and the collection JSON file, right? So let me run it. So you can see, right? So all my collection, whatever the APIs there in the collection, everything is run. Okay, along with the scripts written in it. Say if you can see the scripts, what are the scripts here? These are nothing but test scripts. That is for the verification of the status code, verification of the response time, schema validation. So for all the endpoints, it got run like this. Okay. So it got successful. For next thing is how we can see it as a report, right? So before that, this particular since it's a command line, right? So this can be easily used in the in our CI/CD environments, pipeline, whatever. Okay. And so the next part is we want to see in a report wise, right? So for that, there is a default one called as HTML reporter. So it can be there from the CSV side, JSON, whatever report type you want. So based on that, you can install it. Okay, the first one is Newman reporter HTML. So for that, this is the command which we'll use. That is Newman run. You have to give the collection. After that, it is -r CLI HTML. Okay, I am just giving example for HTML. So there is one failure. Maybe the response time is less than 500 millisecond. Okay, that's fine. So how we can view is, so there will be a folder called as Newman. Go to that and open the report file. Okay. So you can see what is the collection name, the description, and what is the iteration request and the endpoint details. Everything will be there. Okay, but it doesn't looks much good here. Okay, so for that there is one more thing that is developed by the Postman community, that is called as Newman Reporter HTML. Okay, so what it is, it's an extended version of it where there are some additional handlebars helping the user to view the better HTML, okay, in a better template. Okay, so the command also is the same. I mean, the same npm minus install minus g, the Newman Reporter HTML extra. Okay, so you can run using this command. So I'll go back. That is Newman run collection name, and after that minus r. Okay, so now you can go to it. Same Newman folder, it will be generated, and you can open underscore HTML extra. So you can see, right? So we get an awesome report here. It will tell all the assertion, what are the number of requests, right? And also it will explain the test cases also, like what happened, the number of pass values, right? So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching.